Hi guys, and welcome to another Tim's Tech Tip Tuesday. So today's quick tip is for the Insta360 Go 3 users. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock and let's get started. Okay, so if you have the Insta360 Go 3 camera, you already know that it's magnetic and can stick to anywhere that is metal. But what you probably don't know is that the magnetic pendant that actually comes as part of the Go 3 can significantly magnify the power of the magnet that's on the Go 3, so that it sticks to places that it wouldn't normally stick to. So take a look at this old rusty lamppost on this example. Now on its own, the Go 3 is not going to stick to it, or finds it very difficult to stick to it, but if you combine it with a pendant, it sticks to it like glue. Now even more amazingly, the Go 3 won't stick to a glass window in a car, or will it? But by putting the pendant on one side of the glass and the Go 3 on the other, the power of this magnet is so strong, it's enough for the Go 3 to stick to it through the glass, just like magic. Now when I discovered this, I thought it was pretty cool and I just wanted to tell you all about it. Alright, that's a very quick tip and I shall see you soon next Tuesday. Take care.